Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and this is TCL's X6 XESS 85-inch QLED 4K HDR TV. And apart from being a Behemoth massive 85-inch TV, it also has a home theater. So as you can see, the cylindrical bar at the bottom is the front firing speaker. The cylindrical thing on the right here is the subwoofer, and it also has a pair of surround speakers at the back around this chair as well. So it is essentially a TV with a home theater. Now if you can see, there are these golden rims that are upward firing, and that is because this home theater is a Dts X Enabled, which is of course a version of Dolby Atmos, which means it's object-based sound. So if sound is supposed to come from the top, it has the upward firing speakers for that. There is no pricing or launch availability for this TV and home theater combo, but from what we have seen and experienced out here, it definitely looks quite exquisite. It does have this really big stand as well, and of course you would need that to mount the speakers and the television itself. Thank you so much for joining us on this video, guys. For more CES coverage, you can stay tuned to Digit.in.